Natural home remedies for headaches? Find relief at home. Hello dears, I hope you are well. Today I want to talk to you about home remedies for headache, so stay with me. Headaches are a common ailment that can disrupt our daily lives and hinder productivity. While over-the-counter medications can provide temporary relief, many people prefer natural remedies to alleviate their headaches. I will explore a range of home remedies that can help soothe headaches, allowing you to find relief and get back to your routine without relying solely on medication. Stay hydrated. Dehydration is a common trigger for headaches. Ensure you drink an adequate amount of water throughout the day to keep your body hydrated. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water daily and increase your intake during hot weather or physical activity. Apply cold or warm compresses. Temperature therapy can provide relief for different types of headaches. Apply a cold or warm compress to the affected area for 15 minutes. Cold compresses can help numb the pain and reduce inflammation, while warm compresses can help relax tense muscles. Practice relaxation techniques. Stress and tension are often underlying causes of headaches. Engaging in relaxation techniques can help alleviate the symptoms. Consider the following. A. Deep breathing. Take slow, deep breaths, inhaling through your nose and exhaling through your mouth. Focus on relaxing your body and mind. B. Progressive muscle relaxation. Start by tensing and then releasing each muscle group in your body, starting from your toes and working your way up to your head. C. Meditation. Find a quiet space, close your eyes, and focus on your breath. Allow your thoughts to come and go without judgment, promoting a sense of calm and relaxation. Herbal remedies. Certain herbs have been traditionally used to alleviate headaches. While scientific evidence is limited, many people find these remedies helpful. Consult your healthcare provider before trying any herbal remedies, especially if you have underlying medical conditions or are taking medications. Some popular options include A. Peppermint oil. Dilute a few drops of peppermint oil in a carrier oil and apply it to your temples or forehead. Peppermint has a cooling effect and may help relieve tension headaches. B. Ginger tea. Brew a cup of ginger tea by steeping fresh ginger slices in hot water. Ginger has anti-inflammatory properties and may help reduce headache pain. C. Feverfew. Available in supplement form, feverfew is an herb that has been used to prevent migraines. Consult a healthcare professional for dosage recommendations. Adjust your environment. Your environment can play a significant role in triggering headaches. Consider the following adjustments. A. Manage light. Bright or flickering lights can worsen headaches. Reduce your exposure to bright screens, dim the lights in your surroundings, or wear sunglasses when outdoors on sunny days. B. Minimize noise. Loud noises can be irritating and contribute to headaches. Find a quiet space or use earplugs or noise-canceling headphones to create a peaceful environment. C. Relax in a dark room. If you're experiencing a severe headache, find a quiet, dark room to rest and relax until the pain subsides. Conclusion. Headaches can be disruptive, but natural remedies can provide relief and help you avoid excessive reliance on medication. Incorporate these home remedies into your routine to find relief from headaches. However, it's essential to consult a healthcare professional if your headaches are frequent, severe, or accompanied by other concerning symptoms. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, bye.